In today's world, prioritizing safety and security while staying in a hotel is paramount. While hotels strive to provide a safe environment for their guests, it's essential for travelers to take proactive measures to safeguard themselves and their belongings. One common concern is preventing unauthorized entry into hotel rooms, especially through techniques like using a hanger to manipulate the door handle from the outside. Here are some effective strategies to enhance hotel room safety and prevent such incidents. Utilize the deadbolt and additional locks. Upon entering the room, immediately engage the deadbolt lock and any additional locks provided by the hotel. These extra layers of security can significantly impede unauthorized access. Door wedge or portable door lock. Consider carrying a door wedge or portable door lock with you during your travels. These devices can be easily placed under the door or attached to the door frame, providing an additional barrier against forced entry. Inspect the door and lock mechanisms. Before settling into your room, take a moment to inspect the door and its locking mechanisms. Ensure that the door frame is sturdy and that the locks are in proper working condition. If you notice any issues, promptly notify hotel staff for assistance. Secure valuables in a safe. Use the in-room safe to store valuable items such as passports, jewelry, and electronics when they are not in use. This prevents opportunistic theft and ensures peace of mind while you're out exploring or resting in your room. Be mindful of who you allow. Entry: exercise caution when allowing strangers into your hotel room. Avoid propping the door open for extended periods or inviting individuals you don't know well into your personal space. Keep curtains drawn at night. While enjoying the view from your hotel room, be mindful of your privacy and security. Keep curtains drawn at night to prevent outsiders from peering inside and potentially gaining insights into your room layout or valuables. Report suspicious activity. Promptly, if you notice any suspicious individuals loitering near your room or attempting to gain unauthorized access, notify hotel staff immediately. Prompt reporting allows hotel security to address the situation swiftly and mitigate potential risks. Stay vigilant during checkout. Before departing, double-check the room to ensure you haven't left any personal belongings behind. Additionally, verify that all windows and doors are securely locked to prevent unauthorized entry after your departure. Educate yourself on emergency procedures. Familiarize yourself with the hotel's emergency procedures, including evacuation routes and assembly points. Being prepared for unforeseen situations enhances overall safety and security during your stay. By implementing these proactive measures, travelers can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized entry into their hotel rooms and enjoy a safer, more secure lodging experience. Remember, prioritizing safety should always be a top consideration when traveling, and taking preventive steps can make all the difference in ensuring a worry-free stay.